Motion blur can ruin an otherwise great image, but Photoshop gives you tools to recover lost sharpness. Today, how to create precise motion blur corrections. Open Photoshop and create a canvas around 3500 by 2500 pixels at 300 dpi. Then place your blurred image onto the canvas and duplicate the background layer. Go to Filter, Sharpen, and select Smart Sharpen to begin correcting the blur. Inside the panel, choose Motion Blur as the removal type and carefully adjust the angle slider to match the direction of the blur in your image. Increase the amount gradually while watching the edges regain clarity. After applying the filter,